More Colton, astronomist. Today is a very special day. It's June 21st, the summer solstice. See, in the spring and in the fall, the sun is sideways. But today, it's perpendicular to the earth. I love the summer solstice. Farmerists everywhere have been celebrating the summer solstice since before my great-grandpappy was born. As a child, I have fond memories of celebrating the summer solstice at least once a year. But on the summer solstice, the days are very long, and I get very tired. The sun gets real hot, and when that happens, I get thirsty. And when I get thirsty, I drink Swerve Eve. It goes down smooth, it comes out easy, and sometimes it tastes a little cheesy. More Colton, that ain't no bull.